Here is my Facebook Messenger without Meta AI search option, and here is after getting it. So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can get this Ask Meta AI option in your Messenger. Whether you are on Android or iPhone, it works the same. If I go to these three lines and go into this settings gear, I've taken a look almost every of these options, and any of them does not contain the option to turn this feature on or turn off. So the only method I explored is as follows. You have to go back and close the Messenger app, and after that just open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. And after that you have to go to the search button and type in here Messenger and hit the search button. And when this Messenger app appears up, you have to tap on that, and you have to first of all update your Messenger app using this button here. This is the first step to get this Meta AI option in your Messenger. If your Messenger is not up to date, you're not gonna get it. After updating your Messenger, you will get this Meta AI option in your Facebook Messenger. But if this thing is not working and you didn't get it after updating, let's move to the method number 2, that you have to uninstall this Messenger app and reinstall it. I'm sure that after reinstalling this Messenger application, you will start seeing this Meta AI option in your Messenger. But if this thing also didn't work and you are not getting this update button in Messenger, or even after updating you are not getting the Meta AI option, the reason may be your outdated Android or iOS software. For example, if I go to my software update, as you can see that I have the latest iOS version in my iPhone. If you don't have the latest iOS or latest Android version installed in your mobile, this may be the reason that you are not able to update your Messenger app, and even after updating you are not getting it. You may have a too old phone which does not support the latest version, or if it supports, you have not updated it yet. So just go ahead and update your software and update your iOS or Android software, and after that update the Messenger app and you will get it after updating it. But if this thing also didn't work, let's move to the last method which works 100%, and that is you have to open up your Messenger, go to these three lines available at the top left corner of the screen, go to this settings gear, and after that scroll down, and here you get the option report a problem. So you have to tap on this report a problem option, select report anyway from here, and you have to select include from here on this page. Now this is the most important thing here. You have to write exactly the same thing I am writing. So you have to write in here, hi, I am not getting the Ask Meta AI feature in my Messenger application. Even my app is already up to date, and I also don't have geographical restrictions because my friends are using it. Kindly allow it for my account. I'll be waiting for your favorable response. And just write a thanks and hit this send button. As soon as you send your report, within 48 hours, hopefully they will allow this feature in your Messenger application. But I'm sure that the first three methods I've explained earlier will work for you, and you will get this option using any of that method. Now you tell me in the comments that which method worked for you, so it may be a big help for the others. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.